Hello and welcome to the REIQ Sunshine Coast Statistical Division Market Wrap. This comprises the Sunshine Coast LGA and Noosa Shire Council. The Sunshine Coast Statistical Division is the strongest performing regional house and unit market in Queensland. Unlike most regional centres in Queensland, the unit market on the Sunshine Coast Statistical Division grew. Noosa was the top performing house market for the past year, with the annual median sale price increasing 9.2% to $615,000. The Sunshine Coast LGA housing market also performed strongly over the past year, jumping 6.6% to $535,000. Looking at the markets that have performed well over the past 5 years, the Sunshine Coast Statistical Division house market was the second best performing market in Queensland, following the Gold Coast. In contrast to 2016, when listings were low, the number of house listings has jumped, growing by 18 to 20% in February 2017. Days on market and vendor discounting improved moderately over the past 12 months, showing a market that favours sellers. Looking at suburbs that had a strong year, the top 5 suburbs with the greatest median house price growth for the 12 months to March were Boccarina, Meriden Plains, Noosaville, Noosa Heads and Badina. The unit market was one of the few markets to grow. Noosa remained one of the top performing markets for units over the past 12 months. The most popular price point for units in the March quarter was for transactions from $350,000 to $500,000. The Sunshine Coast Statistical Division rental market weakened over the March quarter to reach a vacancy rate of 2%, still within the tight range. Local agents in Noosa noted that demand has slowed down slightly. However, rents remained high compared with the rest of regional Queensland. Noosa is also the most expensive rental market for 3-bedroom townhouses and the second most expensive market for 3-bedroom houses, following the Gold Coast. That's all for now. We'd love everyone to share these videos on social media so more people can learn about the property market. And if you want the latest REIQ analysis on the Queensland property market, you can subscribe to our Queensland Market Monitor at reiq.com. And a reminder to our REIQ members, you can download your regional version of the QMM in our member resources area of reiq.com. See you next time and thanks for watching.